Khaki no be leather. Originality. Where's B? Hey, hey, hey. Now we own the society. Oh. Come me to love so jad. Get me travel a look give me ni come one lay. Show my wapa me share it. Lori Betty, I be Lori Roggy, I be shake a tenning get tell me how to feel you. Oh, it feel like say I smoke it. None they make man they color among LA. You go for sure, not today. Let me take you to my house, there's something and not today. You make me go drink on come on something because say mommy me go sing a lay, daddy me go sing a lay, ekpon me go sing a lay, get me come one lay walk back on
Viewers, welcome to On The Track with your very own K. And we're live here at Oniru Beach for the album launch of Da Green. Everyone's out here. If you look around, you can see everyone's having fun. That's what it looked like to me. Everyone's having fun. I wish I could go get on some too, but as you can see, I'm doing my job, I'm doing my thing. Just hang on. I'll put you on the track later on about how everything is going out here at Oniru Live Beach for the album launch of Da Green. Stay on the track with your very own K.
It's a wonderful evening, and of course everybody's having a nice time here. I'm telling you where we are. This is Oniru Beach, right in the city of Lagos, Nigeria. I am Balaji, and of course I'm here with a wonderful guy. It's a man of the moment. We're going to be talking to him right now because we are on the track. Yeah, this is on the track, people, and this is Da Green. How you doing?
Yeah, what's up, people? Now your boy be this Da Green, aka Female Ledger.
Okay, everybody's talking about CEO. Is it Chief Executive Officer or what?
Chief Executive Officer. Me, I know the sleep house. I'm always on the streets. To make sure say things get better.
Okay, so what is this album all about?
This album is all about street men. It's all about telling people I've got street credibility.
Okay, so what was it like when you were actually producing this album? What was it like?
More, no easy. It was not easy, man. But the obstacle we really faced when we did record this album, now generator.
Okay, so this album is out now. What do you have for your people?
Right now, I'm just working on my video. I have to follow up with the video. Right.
Video. All right. Why did you decide to choose Oniru Beach for your party?
Yeah, I chose Oniru Beach for my album release party because see, now there the streets can go day, you know.
All right. Okay. We have so many colors. So what is this Da Green thing? You love green so much.
Yeah. My Da Green is not, if you check the spelling, it's not green like color, you understand? Green like a broad smile, you understand? And before I do my voice on the song, I will just laugh first. I will first mock that beat before I put my punchlines on the beat. So what really make me now the green smile. And the other way around, my name is Dapo. Dapo, G represent get to have something, how represent rhymes, and in represent inside of me, that's Dapo got rhymes in. And if you listen to my songs, definitely know I'm kidding.
Yeah, of course, I love the songs. So now that we are, we're launching this album, what comes after this album? Are there going to be so many other albums coming after, or you're traveling abroad or something?
Yeah, after this launch, I'm traveling to so many parts of the world to do this album release party because, man, the whole world really need to know that the CEO album has dropped. And again, like I said earlier, I'll be working on my video, and again, right now, I'm working on my mixtape right now.
Okay, so now, what are we expecting here in this album launch? What are we expecting from you?
I just want people to come and see the full CEO swag.
Okay, so finally, what do you want to say for your fans out there?
Just go get CEO, go get the album, listen to it, and not just listen, just pick out one or two things.
Okay, we're on the track, so what do you want to say about On The Tracks?
My On The Tracks in our bad program. Me, I know the mix and the watch them because they put a face to the music industry.
up? How you doing?
I'm okay. Right now we are launching his album. What can you say about his album?
Everybody knows his album is hip hop. One of the best in Nigeria right now. His album is classic and standard. So it's unquestionable.
Thank you so much. Of course, this is YQ, and we are still on the track. Stay with us.
Alright, people, here we are at the album launch of Da Green at Oniru Beach. Here's a couple of guys. You already know them, bros. If you got your money and you don't have swagger, look at these bros right here, man. Look for them. That's just it. You've got your money and you don't have the swagger. Look for this brother right here, man. Yeah, there you go, man. Cartier.
It's your boy Cartier, Mr. Owati Swagger. We in the building.
So what's up, Cartier, man?
Everything good, man. I'm here representing Da Green for his album launch. You know I'm on track 5 of his album. The song is called Swag Feel It. So right now I'm just showing support to my boy Da Green now. Hey yo, it's your boy Cartier. I'm shouting out on the track. You know how we doing it. Get your swag up, Owati Swagger.
Here we have people live at Oniru Beach for the album launch of Da Green. And here's one of the guests in the house. Hello, can we meet you?
Hi, I'm T, aka Missy Bomb Jiggy G. You know, I'm here at Da Green's album launch. You can see everybody's having fun. Likewise, me too, I'm catching my fun here. So, you people that know here, you're missing a lot, because it's really, really fun here to be here. I want to make a shout out to my friends, to my group, Dreams, Dance is my style, to Da Green, to On the Track, to everybody, to CEO, Chief Executive of Omoita, and everybody that loves Da Green. Peace out.
All the good things you do for me, I'm happy, Lord. Wishing I would do, Baba, not to thank you, Lord. Thank God.
Yeah, Da Green, so sick on the beat, sound the beats in the week, baby. You know what it do, you know what it is, but we knew what it was, baby. Da Green, I'm on a journey, Najalo BBC, Najani Moti better sing KBC. I'm on Nanja, Mulefin, she Pepsi. I want Nanja, Moscow, I love the BBC. Tomate Babaru, on the Fed bad boy. The Batura Boni, get phone, that's a bad toy. I'm singing Kimala Church, brother David, Kimamuledi, Zadin in the morning, David. And tell Rock of what I am rappers. Miche Mugu, Omo me the day pampas. Me DT, back with Moluti, Mumbo Yamako Jalo, BRT. Was solid for something to bullet.
Kaki no be leather. Originality.
Where's B?
Hey. Now we own the society.